Today we are going to learn about data slates. Here's your material file. That's what you need to change. How to retexture them, how to get your pictures in game in the UI menu. So pull up your data slate, make you a copy of it, put your tag in. All right. Next step is to find your layered material swap. It's going to be the data slate screen, swap to black. All right. And if you want the world model to change, you need to change this material path override to your material file that you're going to make in material editor. So let's change the name of this. Okay, give it your tag so you can find it easy. All right, then you're going to go to your material file and make your material file. How you're going to do that is you're going to go to items or objects, whatever it is, items, data slate. All right, what's another way to get to it is so you know you got the right one. Hit this button right here. See, and that'll bring you up to the right one. This is Dataslate Black Material 1, whatever. So save as. I'm going to go to Materials, right click, new folder. Give it your tag. People know it's yours. You're going to save that. Boop. I already have a texture in place, and this has to be in the right file. All right, so from here, you're going to find in your albedo, you're going to find your texture. Now, it's very important that you got to use this path. It's got to be an interface, objects, data slate. If you don't see it, you didn't put your color name on there, so go to all files. See, here's my Maryland Fields. Right there. Texture will pop up. And you save that. You close out of this. Go over to here and change this to thing you just made. You save that. You save it before it crashes. All right, you go over here to your data slate. Go to model. Click that. Click that. Your new swap will be there. You slide it over. You wait a second too. Don't just hit OK right real quick because it may not register for some reason. A little bug. Hit your edit swaps, and there's your field. So now you got your fake in the world. Now you can make your book. Same process. Dataslate. Now the book is the one that you can actually pick up and read. So I think you want to change your art inventory. You can make your own custom one with your miscellaneous item you just made. And if you want to do that, you can. You start, give this your own tag. I like to specify this is the book. Okay, new object, yes. Save it. Find it. Open it back up. And then go to this. Go to that. There's your swap. Give it a second. Hit OK. Look at it. Make sure it worked. Hit OK. Delete this. Boop. And then what you want to do is you want to hit change this to image for when you want it to show up in the UI. So we've made three things and a material file. Right? We made the regular data slate. Now when you put it down in the world, the reference isn't popping in and it's not automatically doing the reference because you haven't set up a material type keyword. This is how you do that. You change the type to something. Right there, layered material swap. I don't think you have to give it a name. Hit OK. Delete that. Let's see if it changes. You got to go into this, add your keyword. Give this a second. Hit OK. Save that. Okay, now add our material type keyword to both of these. Material type. Material type. All right, now let's see if that changed it. Nope. Interesting. All right, so how you change it? This is the reference. Just go to extra, layered material, pop it over, hit OK. Now it should change. Yep. See? So I don't know why the reference isn't changing after I set up the keyword, but that's supposed to be what the keyword's for, from what I understand. So now we put down the book. Boop. And that one did change. And I had the keyword on it. Very interesting. Okay, what you're going to do, and how you can do it, is You're going to hit this and then that. You're going to bring it up so it's all on one line. And then the image name is the texture that you want to add. You don't have to put the file path and you don't have to put a DDS. But you do have to get it in between those two little ass lines. All right. That's your caption. You got to get in between those two little lines there. And the other header has to be in between those two little lines. I missed. Got me over one. There we go. And then your image name goes right there. If you want to copy and paste it from your file folders, how you get to it, go into your data folder. Go into your textures. Interface, objects, Dataslate. Copy that. Back to your creation kit. Get right in between those two dots. Save that. Make sure it's a medium master. Oh no, no, I want a small master. What am I saying? Yes, yes. Okay. I already packed the files. Don't forget to pack the files. And we'll test it in game. All right, here we are in game. We're going to test it out, pick it up, see if it works. See, and there's our image. Maryland Fields right there. And it shows up just fine. You don't really need to make a transform for it. If this showed up sideways or something like that, you might want to make a transform for it. Definitely need to figure out how to do transforms to make the icons and stuff like that in build mode. But yeah, that's how you do it. This technique was brought to you by another mod author. This mod author right here is the one who taught me how to do this trick. So hats off and credits to ProofX1527. And go check out their creations. See what's up. This has been a creation kit tutorial. Look forward to the next one. Bye.